Good morning, Braille, and welcome back for our final maths lesson of this term. Let's get started. Make sure you've got a pencil and a piece of paper with you as well. Okay, so I want you to pause me in a minute and I want you to work out these questions. My first one says, what is missing? So you've got to go along the numbers and find out what they're going up in, find out what's missing. Then number 2 says, how do you spell 5? So think. You can use your red fingers for that one. That's a clue. And here it says, how many dots have I got? So count, see what they're going up in. See if you can count them. So pause me whilst you do that. Don't forget to take your time. Okay, hopefully you pause me. Let's have a look. So we've got 2, 4, 6. What do you notice they're going up in? So I've got 2, then it goes 4, then it goes 6. What are they going up in? Good, they're going up in 2s. So let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Well done. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's right. Let's just finish it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So give those a big tick for 8 and a big tick for 12. Then my next question is, how do you spell 5? Now I can use my red fingers for this. 5. Let's have a go. So we've got our F, then our chatty I for nice smile. I, 5. Tick or fix. Okay, let's work out number 3 now. It says how many. So how many have I got here? That's right, I've got 2 and it's going up in 2. So let's count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So I have 14 all together. So give it a little tick or fix. Okay, so our objective today is, can I count in 5s? Good, but what does counting in 5s mean? Let's have a look. So let me get my highlighter pen for us. So instead of counting every number like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sometimes we count in our 5s. And especially if we see tallies and things like that, we count in our 5s. So let's do it. 5, 10, join in with me. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I'm going to stop there, but you can carry on if you wanted to, all the way to 100. Okay, so you ready? Let's practice. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. One more time. Let's see if we can get a bit speedier. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. See if you can practice that and pause me now and have a go at practicing in your 5s till you feel confident. Okay, so how could I sort these ducks so that I can count them in 5s? There's a big clue on my page. That's right, I can use my tens frame. Watch me. Let's use our tens frame because it'll make it a lot easier to count these ducks. Okay, what do you notice about this half of my tens frame? How many have I got there? That's right, I've got 5. So I know 5 is a half of my tens frame. So 5, 10, exactly. So I've got another 5 there. Good. 5, 10, excellent. So I've got lots of ducks here. How could I sort them to make it easier for us to count them? Let me just try counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh my goodness, that's hard work, isn't it? How could I make it easier for us to count them? Good, I can hear a lot of you saying use our tens frames. So let's have a look. Ta-da! Sorted them. So I've got how many in a row? That's right, I've got 5 in that row. I've just turned my tens frame round. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Good, so I've got 25 books all together. Let's just practice counting them one more time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, I'm going to use my tens frame here to help me with this one. So I have got some 5 pairs in each bag. Okay, there's 5 there, 5 there, and 5 there. And I'm going to count in my 5s to help me. So I've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Let's just count again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Good. If you want to keep practicing counting those 5s, you can pause me and have a go. I'm going to send you a sparkle for some excellent work. So I have got 40. Let's not forget to write my answer. 40, a 4 and a 0. There are 40 pairs altogether. Make that a bit neater. Okay, so let's have a look at our next question now. It says, I already have 20 dots on my dice. Let's just check by counting in 5. That's right, because there are how many dots? 5 dots. 5, 10, 15, 20. Good. So I've already got 20 dots altogether. So can you help me to count the rest? So let's use our number line to help us. So do you think you can count from 20 on and see how many dice there are? How many dots there are? Pause me once you do that. Okay, let's have a look. So we've got 20 to start with up here. So we've got another 5. So that's 20, 25. Good. What comes next? 30. This number line is going up in 5s to help me. 20. So I've got 20 here, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, circle it, 50. Excellent. So let's just count from 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Big sparkle. Okay. Challenge now. So we can also count back in 5s. So how many chocolates are there in this box? Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's hard to count. How could I count those? Good, in my 5s. How did you know that? Good, because there's a row of 5. Excellent. I'll try and make that a bit neater. So we've got, here's 5, 10, 15, 20. There are 20 in my box already. So how many chocolates are there in this box when Miss Walker ate a lot of chocolate? How many have I got left? That's right, I have got 5. So I started off with 20, and now I have 5. Should we count back from 20 to 5? Let's do it. 20, 15, 10, 5. Good, counting back in our 5s, year one. Okay, our next job is your turn now. So what I want you to do is have a look and see if you can fill in the missing numbers. So the first one goes 0, 5, 10. And you've got to fill it in. Then this one, 50, 45, 40. Can you see something? I can. So see if you can fill in the missing numbers, but you might have to go back and practice counting and using your 100 square because it is a little bit tricky. This is the first time we've done this. So don't worry if you find it tricky, keep practicing. Then here we've got 20, 25, 30. And you see we're adding 5 each time. So can you find the next numbers that go on my number line? So if you've done that, and that might be enough for you, and you might think, I'm going to stop there. But if you've done that and you're feeling pretty confident, you can do number 2, which says, can you count in 5s to 50? See if you can show me in a video. Then number 3, if you've done that and you're feeling extra confident, you can do number 3. It says, how many spots are there in total? So work out how many ladybug spots there are. So pause me once you have a go at solving those. Okay, if you've done that, we are going to do a quick challenge. So here it says Mo counts up to 50 in 5s. Eva counts up to 50 in 2s. What number do they both say? Can you spot a pattern? So see if you can count in your 2s going along and your 5s and see which number they both say, okay? Think really carefully. You might have to write your numbers out as you're doing it. So write out the numbers Mo counts. So if he goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So write out the numbers he does to 50. Then do Eva. So Eva would count in her 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then keep going and then see which numbers they both say as they're counting. Okay, and see if you can spot a little pattern. Okay, so my very last bit for you is over half term, it's really important to give our brains a break because we've been doing so much hard work. But if you want to do some maths, I would suggest playing some of the games on Top Marks website. So when you go on to Top Marks here, you go on to 5 to 7-year-olds, there we are, that's us. And then you choose one of these that we've been looking at and see if you can have a go at some of the games. Okay? But only if you want to. All right, I look forward to seeing all of your fantastic work on tapestry. Bye, Braille class. See you next term.